Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Trade of the Day, and it's brought to you by Day Trade the World. Check them out below by scanning that QR code. Look, today it's going to be pretty simple for me. It's going to be Amazon. And why is it going to be Amazon? Attention up here. Mr. Walmart today. Sam, going to the downside here. Look at this, man. I mean, you got a big move back down in for Walmart. They came out yesterday, guided a lot lower, talked about their forecast, what was it, 13 to 14, down to 7 or 8 on the growth. So it's not a good one, man. And Walmart, here's their warning the first time. They weren't again in here. That's their earnings miss. Big time issues here coming through for Walmart, including this double bottom at 120, or double bottom once, twice, I mean, a bunch of times there. 3 times sold. So now today comes all the way back down in. So look, I had Walmart. We had that short early at that 122 mark. But as that was happening, I was like, you know what? I'm so much more familiar with trading NASDAQ names. So let's just go over there and have a look at Amazon. Amazon at that 120 area has seen some resistance. It was climbing back to the upside. I'm just going to use a 1-minute chart here to explain what my trade ideas were for today. I mean, it was pretty simple. Here's that 118 level that we talked about on the morning show, looking to short off that 118 level. So we just kind of pick a spot there, a little bit of a bouncing area there this morning up to 118 before coming back and sort of settling around 117. So I never thought we'd really get to this 118. So our first couple shorts here, we're into 118, bring it back down into 117. So a bunch of outs, fine. We're really happy with Amazon. Then something happened with my orders, which is completely fine, but we wound up reversing into the long there, not reversing into the long, but getting out of our short on a 118 break. We actually didn't even want to do that. We should have been getting more short, but that's fine. We'll move on from that trade. Then we eventually take some longs in and starts to make a little bit of money here on Amazon. Before we get stopped out right there, breaking through 116.50, Amazon pulls all the way down and we're just like, oh man, why can't we still be short? We're still positive on this name, but we did have some back and forth here between 10 and 10.30. It was just dancing from 117 to 118 and we were sort of uncertain of the direction. But we keep our eye on Walmart and make sure that the NASDAQ, which you're going to see right here, it's kind of continuing a slide. You're getting, wow, okay, you're getting a big move up now in the NASDAQ that I wish I was part of, standing right here, but that's a big move up. So I have AMD long. Hopefully that continues to work. But the point is, the NASDAQ was starting to fade out. We started the day only down 0.4, and live on the show, I was like, hey, this feels like a southbound day, maybe 1.5% to 2%. You could bookmark me on that one. Go find that clip back there about 8:45. So we're right on that. But here's the short that we're really talking about. We hit this 4 times. Like, again, look, the kind of the barcoding here between 117 and 118, it kind of does the same thing here between 117 and 116. But look at these shorts, short, and we're getting out, like, the reason why we're getting out is, it's not making that tank move, but we're always trying to hold on to a piece in case it goes down. So here's the short off, view up, and then look, all the way down. So where do we start getting out? Obviously, once again, at that very bottom of like 116 or 115.80. Then it hits that, comes back up. Could have reloaded, didn't. Then the move comes back down in, breaks 116. We get lower than 116. Now we get 115.50. And just as I came here, the plan of action, which is why I marked this down, was like this 114.80 bottom that we had already seen in the pre-market. And I mean, I can't control this move. I mean, the NASDAQ right now going back up to the upside here, as you can see, oil dropping, NASDAQ going up. So it's nice to see that relationship maybe back. But there it is right here. This move down, we just bounced off 114.80, basically what it looks like to the penny. So we are going to stand here and miss that opportunity, but that's fine. We still have a piece left. It's breaking through the 50 period. It's Amazon short. We're still in it. It's your trade of the day for a few reasons, because first way, retail. Look at other names. That's what Neil and I, Brendan, we always talk about that. Prad, Luca, everybody on the show. Look to see sectors that are moving around. Then go over, find some key levels like we did here at 118 and then again at 117. Hit the trades, right? And then just trade you. Some people will scalp in and out. That's me. Others will hold for some of these lines. So that's why we draw them there. Even this line right here at 115.50 kind of held here, had some back and forth right in there. So that again is a decent out. So we're bouncing off that right now, pulling back down. It looks like Amazon does want to test the low of the day on this. What is happening on this NASDAQ move back down here? So I'm going to get back to my desk, but it's your trade of the day and it's brought to you by Day Trade the World.
Yeah,